Okay, this is the Professor, CBMD PhD, and today's Thursday, June 8th, 2023. It is 5:41 and 23 seconds, a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, and today's research, Electron Microscope. So let's jump to it here. World's fastest electron microscope, date May 31st, 2023. Source, University of Constance. Researchers have succeeded in filming the interactions of light and matter in an electron microscope with attosecond time resolution. Electron microscopes give us insight into the tiniest details of materials and can visualize, for example, the structure of solids, molecules, or nanoparticles with atomic resolution. However, most materials in nature are non-static. They constantly interact, move and reshape between initial and final configurations. One of the most general phenomena is the interaction between light and matter, which is omnipresent in materials such as solar cells, displays, or lasers. And these interactions are defined by electrons, pushed and pulled around by oscillators of light, and the dynamics are extremely fast. Light waves oscillate at attoseconds, the billionth of a billionth of a second. Until now, it has been very difficult to directly visualize these extremely fast processes in space and time, but that is exactly what a team of physicists now succeeded in. They recorded movies with attosecond time resolution in a transmission electron microscope, providing new insights into the functionality of nanomaterials and dielectric meta-atoms. If you look closely, almost all phenomena in optics, nanophotonics, or metamaterials occur on timescales below 1 oscillation period of a light wave. And to film the ultra-fast interactions between light and matter, we therefore need a time resolution of attoseconds. And to achieve such an extreme recording speed, the research group uses the fast oscillations of a continuous wave laser to convert the electron beam of an electron microscope into a sequence of ultra-short electron pulses. In this process, a thin silicon membrane creates a periodic acceleration and deceleration of the electrons. This modulation causes the electrons to catch up with each other. After some time, they converge into a train of ultra-short pulses. Another laser wave creates the interaction with the sample object. The ultra-short electron pulses are then used to measure the object's response to the laser light, frozen in time, like a stroboscope. In the end, the scientific investigators and the researchers obtain a movie of the processes with attosecond time resolution. In their study, the scientists present several examples of time-resolved measurements in nanomaterials. The experiments show, for example, the emergence of chiral surface waves that can be controlled by the researchers to travel in a specific spatial direction or characteristic time delays between different modes of radiation from nanoantennas. What is more, the scientists not only investigate such surface phenomena, but also film the electromagnetic processes inside a waveguide material. The results are highly interesting for further developments in nanophotonics, but also demonstrate the very broad application range of the new attosecond electron microscopy. The direct measurement of the electromagnetic functionality of materials as a function of space and time is not only of great value for fundamental science, but also opens up the way for new developments in photonic integrated circuits or metamaterials. And this is the Professor of Microbiology, Bioinformatics, Pathophysiology, and Leader of Research. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.